welcome back to a daily vlog. Today we have a couple errands to run. I just braided up this piece of my hair because it's just being in the way. We have to go to the gym. That's why I'm dressed in tights, and then we need some stuff for the house. We need like toilet paper, paper towels, a couple of other things. So I'm gonna make my list and we're gonna hit Target. I also need to go buy Verizon, so we're gonna go eat, gym, Target, Verizon. I have to make a list first of things I need, because if I don't, I'll just be buying stuff. I don't think we need a whole lot of things, just this like 5 things that I have on my list. Alright, so I ate oatmeal with a banana and some honey, cinnamon, and nutmeg. I'm really trying to do this like high protein, low carb diet. Let me just tell you, because I see on Twitter all the time how people say, you know, you don't realize how much you have to eat when you're trying to lose weight. You don't really realize how much you have to eat when you're exercising and bruh. Okay, so on Monday, I started eating a low carb, high protein diet. Baby, I'm hungry all the time. Oh my God, I did that. And honestly, I'm not even working out that crazy. I'm only doing 30 minutes. I'm thinking that this high protein diet, I'm gonna be, you know, full. No, I'm hungry all the time. I just ate oatmeal, a whole cup of oatmeal with milk and banana and stuff. And I'm only going to work out for 30 minutes. I'm going to go do a 12 through 30. And I'm going to be hungry afterwards. I promise you'll be hungry. But I'm almost to the gym. Whew, I'm hot, y'all. So, I just finished my workout. As you can see, I'm out of breath, which means I'm out of shape. Really out of shape. And I'm sweating. So I know I stink. But, that 12 through 30 ain't no joke. You might think it's just walking on a treadmill, but it's on an incline of 12. I'm hot. I'm tired. Ooh, I'm sweating. We gotta run to Target real quick. I'm gonna run to Target real quick and then hit Verizon on the way home while in my meetings. They have sale on these protein smoothies. I wanted to try. Ooh. Are they sold out? No, they're not. I hope I like these little protein shakes, because I never even tried them, but I see they have some good looking flavors, so I picked it up. Fresh waters. To climb on the damn shelf for this. Ridiculous. Alright, I'm done. But it's still going. This thing started at 9. It's been going for almost 2 hours. So I don't know. But my room's vacuumed, my office is vacuumed. I just closed off some of the doors so it'll finish sooner. I don't know how long this thing's supposed to go, but the battery light flashing, so I think it's about to die. I don't know, but we need to go home soon. So, but I'm gonna shower and get dressed in between these meetings. And we didn't go to Verizon yet, so we still have to do that. So I'll do that, I guess, on lunch. So it's way later. Not that much. It's almost 3:30. I'm hungry, so I'm getting ready to cook. We're gonna make vegan curry chickpea lettuce wraps. from HelloFresh. This is what's for lunch. This is not sponsored, but well, it's kind of late for lunch, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat that. Oh, my phone's ringing. Hello. Huh? Hi, baby. Okay, I'm cooking this for lunch. The vegan. Okay, cool with me. I don't want no peas in it though, so I'm not putting no peas in it. No what? Peas. Oh. You ain't saying peas. Okay. This is my baby calling me.